looking to get a crochet hairstyle? Well, this is the method that you want to try. Yes, it is called the Invisible Illusion Crochet Method. It is one of the safest protective hairstyles for all hair types and even for alopecia. Yes, this method can be used for alopecia, hair loss, thinning edges, and fine hair. In this video, I'll break down and show you two different methods. Yes, this is the first method. Very simple and very easy to do. You want to take your crochet needle and stick it through the braid. You want to make sure that your latch hook is closed. And then you want to pull a small piece of braiding hair through that braid. And then you bring the crochet needle back through the braid and pull that piece of hair through. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is going to give you that invisible hairline that you've been wanting all the time. This is another method. Yes, this is the braid in method that will still give you that invisible illusion hairline. It is absolutely wonderful. And if you have not tried it, yes, you need to try it. Look at that. This method is amazing. It is edge safe, beginner friendly, protective, and you don't need to use any glue, ladies. If you have not tried either of these methods, try them. You'll love them.
Are you struggling with alopecia, hair loss, thin edges, thin hairline, and you are tired of dealing with old wigs after wigs? Well, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to create the most natural crochet braid hairline using my custom frontal. Yes, ladies, this is the undetectable crochet braid hairline. This is the best that has ever been created, and it's perfect for women who wants a natural-looking, protective hairstyle without exposing their edges. Yes, using my custom closure, as you can see, I am going in from the front of the braid, and I am pulling the hair through. Once I pull the hair through, I'm going to leave the front part of the hair hanging to the front. And with that back piece of hair, I am going to create a knot, just as I'm doing here, a regular crochet knot. This is going to keep the hair from being able to pull all the way through. This is going to secure it and make it nice and tight. Look at that. This hairline is going to come out absolutely perfect. Again, it is great for those who have alopecia, thin hair, thin edges, and again, I'm going to show you. I'm going in from the front of the braid. I am going to connect the hair onto the latch hook, as you see I'm doing here. Close that latch hook, pull the hair through. I'm going to leave the front of the hair hanging in the front, as you can see here. But I need to secure it so that it doesn't come loose. I'm going to go in with the back piece of hair, and I am going to create a regular crochet knot. Look at that. And look how secure that is. This hair is going nowhere and is going to create a natural hairline in the front. And voila! Look at this hairline. Absolutely natural. Tap the link in the description below to get your order in for my full custom frontal.